life was so simple and beautiful. The feelings we had, feelings as delicate as tiny flowers. Remember that time? Mankind and monkeys, ostriches and partridges, and antlered stags, ganders, spiders, unfathomable fishes that dwell in the deep, and all creatures too small to be seen. Every living thing and life itself, all has come to the end of its melancholy round and is now extinct. Thousands of centuries have passed since Earth bore any living creature, and this poor moon lights its lantern, all for nothing.
I hope nobody sees her in the garden and tells Mama. That would make Mama upset. What's this?
A seagull. Constantine shot it.
Beautiful bird.
I really don't want to leave. What if you were to convince Irina to stay?
What are you writing?
Idea for a story. Young girl, grown up on the shores of the lake. She loves this lake, like a seagull, and is happy and free, like a seagull. Then a man happens to come along. He sees her, and having nothing much better to do, destroys her, like the seagull.
Boris Alexeyevich, where are you?
I'm coming.
You're staying.
A dream.